Good morning, YouTube. Today's video is going to be very special. I'm going to be unboxing a pair of shoes from the 10 collection, and that is the Off-White Air Force 1 Volt. Enjoy. Now, in my previous videos I mentioned about me raffling and entering raffles for the Air Forces. I didn't manage to win any raffles at all, but luckily my brother entered one raffle and won the raffle. The feels. So my brother has kindly been kind enough to let me borrow the shoes for me to unbox for you. Now let's get the box. Your normal Off-White box. Nike swoosh. The label. And obviously it's inverted design. Now these, they definitely pop. Definitely. I prefer these over the blacks actually. Let's pull one out. Boom. Got your blue Off-White tag. I don't know if it's focusing in there, but the shoe is just amazing. Let's go ahead and pull both out. Very sorry for my voice. It seems to happen every year. Before Christmas I fall ill. It hasn't gone wrong yet. Right, I'll put the box away. Now, as much as I love the original Air Force 1s, it's normal, like a creamy white colourway. The price tag for resale is very expensive, so these were a second resort for me to try and get them, but I still don't get them. So luckily enough for my brother, he was luckily enough to bring them into the scene. But yeah, we'll start from the right shoe. There's like a plastic, some kind of, it feels like a plastic or a thingy material around the toe box, kind of like that was on the front of the toe box on the Jordans, on the second release of those, on the Off-White, that protected it from stains or whatever they did with it. And then we follow up by the suede around the laces, but it just brings out the front of the shoe, the accents. You've got your foam tongue, which then again I absolutely love. When we work our way around to the side, if we can get it to focus in. There we go. And we've got our black swoosh with our tick, and the tick stops here that leaves this semi-loose. And then we've got our orange tag just here that brings the whole shoe together. You know, without, it just gives it that Off-White look, as well as the Nike badge that's embroidered on here. But I believe with the white swoosh it just brings the shoe, it brings it up. And we've got our quoted Air on the side that also helps the shoe. Around the back we've got our numerals that are on there. I haven't a clue what they mean. We've got our suede heel with the logo in, I believe they're quoted. Yep. And these are pressed into the suede. to work on our inside. We've got the follow-up of the swoosh and our Nike off-white writing on the inside with the Beaverton, Oregon, etc. Now this pair of shoes comes with an extra pair of laces, the blacks, but I believe that the yellows, it gives it that cleaner look. I don't know about how the blacks will play, but yeah, so that's the right shoe. Obviously it would be the same on the left shoe, but this one's got our signature off-white tag, but in like a baby blue colour. Just giving you a general look around the shoe. It does look really, really good. Now I've been told that sizing there are half size to run up. So my brother is a size 8, which he copped a size 8, and they're just a tad bit tight. I'm a size 9 and I can fit in them, but they are very tight. So I would recommend, what would I recommend? I would probably have bought an 8.5 to 9, try my best with that, but I wouldn't have gone any bigger. We got the insole of the 10, won't be long before that rubbed off. They are very, very spongy on the inside, so I imagine if you had your perfect size that it would be very comfortable in there. And with them being Volt, it kind of looks like a neon yellow. When you have them in person, it's like almost like a Buzz Lightyear green. But they're still fire. I'll put them back on the box for you. I'll give you a last look around, and then we will get into a topic of what will be happening with the YouTube. Go around. Take one off for the inside. They're a very smart shoe. And I think resale you're looking at, I think about £300 for the Volts. I'm not so sure on the blacks, but I've gone off the blacks. They just seem a bit dull than what I was expecting them to be. After seeing more photos on feet, they do seem a bit dull. But these definitely, you know, they pop. They're already lighting up the bedroom. So. Now, on topic of other videos, is I was thinking about doing a how to tell if your Sean Weatherspoons are fake. So hopefully a video of that will be coming soon, a comparison between a fake pair and the legit pair, to help you guys understand on how to legit your pair of Sean Weatherspoons. There should also be some vlogs to the channel over Christmas. Hopefully one big one or a couple multiple ones. And there'll be a few unboxings of some pickups that I picked up over Christmas. So hopefully you'll all enjoy that. But once again, loving this shoe. I'm so salty that I didn't get a pair. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I apologise for my voice and being ill, but gotta do what you gotta do. Have a good Christmas. See you guys.